Hey, what's up everybody? I'm glad you guys could join me. That's stupid. Hey, what's up everybody? So in an attempt to try to grow the channel, we're going to do some more videos. We're going to do more videos more often, and I'm going to start showing you some of the stuff that I normally don't show y'all, like trips to the salvage yard and things like that. So let's head on out to Lkq. That is a salvage yard in downtown Oklahoma City that I use all the time. We went to Pull Apart last time. We got everything we could out there. Let's go to Lkq this time. We don't need much this time. We can go pack a little lighter, and we're just trying to find a headlight, a grill shell, and just whatever else we could find, and if they got it, we'll get it. Somebody made some homemade pins for it. That's all right. I made my job a lot easier. Check that out. We was up here a while back trying to get one of these for the 91 Ford project, the F-150 we're working on, and they didn't have one. Well, we got one now. Got ourselves an old flatbed Ford pickup. Man, I grew up with one of these. Look at that. It's all there. Been saying that a lot on this video, but that's just how it is, man. These things are all there, fully intact. Some of them don't seem like they should be here yet. This one's got all the glass in it all the way around. It's got a big old flatbed on it. Looks like it's about to fall off, actually. I don't know if it came unbolted or what's going on there. Let's do the smart thing and get underneath it and have a look. Yeah, you can see there where it's actually come unbolted for whatever reason. I don't know. This thing is heavy duty, I do know that much. Got this one marked as a 91 Ford. That's pretty funny. Got a 64 Ford Falcon with like near perfect panels on it. Looks like original paint too. I mean, there's not a ding on it anywhere. No rust, no nothing. Look at this. No rust at all. The doors, it's a 4-door, but the doors are, there is nothing wrong with these at all. I can't even believe it. The glass, I think all the way around. Somebody robbed that one already. But otherwise, glass all the way around this car. Not a crack on the windshield or anything. The dashboard's in good shape. It's just got a normal sized little crack here and over there. Oh man, I'll tell you what. I don't think that goes to this, but this does, doesn't it? Let's see, what do we got? Got us a Falcon. It says Falcon on it. Cool to have. Got some door handles. You know what, I was digging around in my junk the other day and I found some of these just like it, and I didn't know what they went to. Now I do. Yeah, look at this thing, man. Quarter panels, everything, deck lid. It's all in really good shape. Got a ding there, but that's it, a ding, no rust. Man, this thing is nice. No drivetrain, but the hood is in excellent shape. Bumper too. Looks like all the trim around the windshield is all in good shape and it's all still there. I almost forgot to show y'all this. A perfect headliner. I mean, absolutely 100% perfect. There's nothing wrong with this thing anywhere. Even got the visors. We'll go ahead and rob this rotor. I found a Ranger, and unfortunately it doesn't have the grill shell or any of that stuff, but it does have a rotor. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this. Boy, this one's on there. I think I'm gonna keep the bolts, man. It's always a good idea to take those with you. You never know what you're gonna run into when you get back to the house and you start trying to change these parts out. You may strip something out. So it'd be kind of nice to have the bolts, right? And they don't care. They don't charge extra for them. So there's that. We come over here, we could pry this loose. Hopefully, let's see. There we go. Take this and set it up here for the next guy. We got ourselves a 52 Studebaker. Got the straight 6 in it. Alright. Something been living in there for a little bit. You guys, I apologize for the wind noise if there is any. I'm trying to shoot in between the big wind gusts. But here we go, man. 52 Studebaker. Still all there, but in really bad shape. See where somebody actually stomped the roof down, it looks like. Ah, yeah, look up here. Yeah, sure enough. Piece of trim. In bad shape. She didn't fare out too good, but the glass is good. Looks like we've got glass all the way around on this one. Got the seat frames there, so I guess you could get part of the seat reupholstered. Looks like we're got the back of the seat, but not the bottom. Yeah, there's the bottom of the seat. There says the transmission back here. Got some good parts on it, I guess. Got some rust eating through on the edge of the hood, man. That was a bad spot. I was trying to figure out where this trim goes because I thought it went on the quarter panel because it was the only spot long enough, right? But it's got both pieces already, so I'm not sure where that goes exactly. I guess there's an extra piece of trim for this one. This is an automatic car. Look at that, only one pedal. 84 Citation, got the sideways V6. This one's not doing too good. What's going on over here? That's a mess. So interior is a no-go on this one. It's all there, and it looks like we got a few extra pieces that go to something else. Automatic car, another one. 89 Ford LTD. This one's got the 5.0 in it, y'all. Look at that. Probably don't think of these as being hot rods, but they could sure be a hot rod. And really comfortable too with the interior. These seats are great. Look at that, another perfect headliner. Nothing wrong with that headliner at all. Full interior. Not really missing anything, just little things like a vent. Let's see what we got here. I was noticing the seat was kind of loose. Oh, here we go, what do we got here? Oh, cool, little hubcaps. So we got 2 in the car, and then 1 on the car, so we got a set of 3. Unfortunately, we don't have a whole set of center caps on this one. Oh man, this row's got all kinds of good stuff. I can see a Thunderbird sticking out over here. Oh man, it got squished. Look at that. What happened? Is this a rollover wreck, I wonder? I don't know. It's like a 64 Ford Thunderbird. This one's got those cool seats in it. Y'all remember these seats? Got the really cool backing on there. Nice. Man, those would be a score for somebody. You could get these and reupholster them. Those are good seats. Even got the back seat. Look at that. Those are a score, man. Somebody could definitely get those reupholstered and they'd have it going on. I really wonder what happened to that top. I bet a tree fell on it. Got a good windshield V8 engine. And I believe this one was an automatic too. Somebody cut the pedal off. Look at that. A 1950 Studebaker. All right. See a grill in here. Set the grill off of this. It looks like it would be. I don't know. Y'all tell me. These headliners today, really good shape. Every one I look at. Let you guys have a look at the instrument cluster. See if that brings back memories for any of you guys. I know some of y'all watching the channel rode in these. New people that had them. Maybe you had one yourself. Wonder if this is the radio to it. Motorola. And yeah, another automatic car. So right here on the same row, look, what is this? Is this another Studebaker? Dodge Rambler. What is this, y'all? Let's go look. Let's just go look. Oldsmobile Tornado. Obviously, this is not an Oldsmobile Tornado, especially a 77 model, right? Well, whatever it is. Let's have a look inside of it here. This one's in really bad shape. This one's been sitting outdoors for probably 30 years. There ain't no telling. Look at that instrument cluster there. There we go. Yeah, all the door panels and everything on it. It's pretty cooked. There's the back seat. Something's been living back there for a while. Alright, you guys are going to have to leave me a comment on this one. I don't know what it is for sure. It says Lark. Who makes that? Is that like a Rambler or something? Or is it just another Studebaker? I don't know. Y'all tell me. Got a 75 Chevy Monza here. She's a little rough, but all there. I tell you, when you look inside the interior sometimes, you know, and you see that, it just makes you feel like, man, I could fix this thing up. A couple hubcaps there. It's got the back seat and everything. Looks like some Mustang taillights, somebody, or headlights rather, somebody threw in there. Got ourselves an old station wagon here, a little Cutlass Cruiser. Look at that. It's all there too, man. All the interior, fully loaded interior. Another good headliner, a little bit dirty, but this one, it's still good. Got all the seats in it, everything. Looks like all the glass is there. The windshield's busted though. Notice that. 95 model. How many of you guys rode around in these when you were kids? Still got the lift gate and everything. All in good shape. I believe that's the hubcap for this. These things had tons of room in them, even though they were kind of smaller. They weren't as big as the big Chevy Impala station wagons and all that kind of stuff. Let's see, what engine did it have in it? The 3100 V6 sideways. Oh, I sure do hate seeing this one in here. This is a 95 Isuzu little pickup truck. Finally, a stick shift. Look at there, y'all. Got the extra pedal. Well, how's that for a third brake light? Look at that thing sticking way up there. Boy, that would have to go for sure. Here we go. Got us an F-150 with a bunch of stuff missing off of it here. So you got the engine in there though. You guys remember these old step side beds? I actually like these beds. Ours has the short wide on it, but I actually favor these step side beds. I don't mind them at all. This one seems to be in pretty good shape, minus this little dent here. I'm willing to bet you could get in there with a hammer and knock that right out from the back side, because like you can actually get up in behind there. No tailgate, unfortunately, unless it's buried in there somewhere. There ain't no telling. Hey, there's the radiator support. Look what I found. This is probably my favorite body style ever for a truck. I had to show you guys this old school camper on here. Haha, get you some of that. There you go, man. Lots of room in there. They're not doing a very good job marking these things as far as the year goes. This one is between a 64 and a 66. And we know that because it doesn't have the wraparound windshield. You remember the knee knocker windshield, they did away with that in 64. Yeah, normally this would wrap all the way around into here like this. You guys remember. Well, they stopped doing that in 64. That's what we have here. Oh, straight 6. And another step side, cool. And another stick shift, awesome. Well, I managed to find a headlight, but it's for the wrong side. But golly, this thing did not fare out well at all. That's bad. Don't forget to wear them seat belts, y'all. Got us an old Chieftain here. This one here is pretty far gone. It doesn't even have the glass or anything in it, so it don't have a whole lot going for it. Still got some good trim. Looks like we got all the trim going down both sides. Front bumper. and the rear. Looks like they put all the good stuff up here with the 2 doors. Got several 2 doors going on here. Got this one. We got some more Falcons, 2 door, and another 2 door. This one here, what do they call these? Rancheros? Were they called Rancheros when they were this old? You guys tell me. Leave me a comment. Straight 6. And this one appears to be an automatic as well. Really? Yeah, we're back to the automatics, it seems. That's okay. This 061's gonna save us. Check it out, man. There's that 3rd pedal. Back to the stick shifts. Like I mentioned, 2 door. Straight 6 on this one as well. It looks like the transmission's completely missing out of this one, actually. So it looks like that's going to get us on this trip. Oh my god, I just seen a Vega. Look at this. Oh, there's no way I'm leaving without looking at this. I love these things. A 74 Vega. 2 door. She's all there. She's not even wrecked, y'all. Look at this. It's even got the bumpers. What? Are you kidding me, man? Look at this thing. This car is all there, pretty much rust free. Little surface rust there, but no, there's not a holes, you know, no rust holes in it. Somebody's punched some holes in it to try to pull the dent out. That's not a big deal. Oh, I think I just found what did her in. Look at that. I'll guarantee you that's why they got rid of it. Oh, it's like that all the way around. Well, all right, I guess that's gonna do it on this salvage yard trip. Let's get back to the house. Let's try to look at one of these old used batteries. Why not? So here we are. We got our parts, and y'all tell me, man, does that look like $100 to you? $100, $94 for that and that. So hey, we did make it back to the shop. It's worth mentioning, I did put that battery back. They wanted $65 for an old used battery. Unreal. So hey, here's those handles I was telling you about. Digging through my junk. I think those are the same ones we saw at the old salvage yard, aren't they? I'm not sure about this one. Y'all tell me, man. What did that come off of? Anybody know? So hey, y'all, here's my 064. I've had this thing since I was like 16 or 17 years old. Well, I used to run the hell out of this thing, man. Back in the day, my driving record was complete garbage due to this truck. Had a 327 small block in it, man, and it was a lot of fun. It used to have this grill in it, you know, just the 2 headlights. I found this old GMC front clip with the 4 headlights years ago, and I stuck it on there. I think it's more of a kind of an aggressive look, if you ask me. Now, I have done a little bit of work to it over the years, even though it's really done nothing but sit. I replaced both rocker panels. I replaced this whole cab corner here because the old one was crushed in. There's a bunch of junk in here, but I did actually replace the entire floor. The whole thing, a homemade floor. I didn't buy any replacement panels or anything. I replaced the tunnel, everything, firewall, everything in this cab's been completely replaced. I need to get in and clean this thing out. Oh, and hey, check this out. I bagged it too. There you go. Get it up here so we can look underneath it. I might need to rake some leaves out. And we will definitely be working on this old truck in the future on the channel. So be sure to hit the old subscribe button, man. The faster we could grow the channel, the faster we could do stuff like that. So as you can see, lots of fun projects around here. Well, we managed to get a grill. Unfortunately, it's for the wrong truck. It won't go into this one. It's going to go into our other project. That's all right, though. I'm not happy about paying damn near $50 for this thing, but I am happy to have it. They're getting a little harder to find, especially off out in the salvage yard. So I'm going to get busy putting this on, and we'll be one step closer to having this thing on the road. I appreciate each and every one of you guys watching this video. It's really cool. It means a lot to me, and I'll keep putting them out as long as y'all keep watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Don't forget my Instagram and Facebook, Weird Beard. There'll be a thing down in the a link down in the description below the video. So, and I'm gonna get on out of here. I'll see y'all next time.